Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will tell you how to fix Modern Warfare 2. The application has been unexpectedly stopped working. So now these are three steps to fix this error. First step is I will tell you now. You have to go to your gaming settings, game mode settings. And now you have to do is to turn on the game mode. So this is the first step. The second is to go to your device manager. In here you have to click on display adapters, and here you have to update your driver. Click on update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now you have to click on this. So now our updates are available. So after updating your Windows, we'll go to our control panel. In the control panel settings, we'll go to our Windows Event Firewall. And here we will click on turn Windows Event Firewall on or off. And here we have to click turn off the Windows Defender Firewall, and we have to click OK. After this, go to your COD MW2 properties and click on run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Now I have to click apply. If this issue don't solve, so uninstall the MW2 and reinstall it, and after that restart your PC. This error will be solved.